Hey, my friends, it's Miss Alexander, and today we're working on Module 3, Lesson 26 of Engage New York. Our objective is to divide multiples of 10, 100, and thousands by single-digit numbers. Now, the one thing I like to tell my students when we're dividing by 10, 100, and thousands and single-digit numbers is you can always take the zeros off and add them back in at the end. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. We're going to jump to our example. As I'm going to the example, remember, subscribe to my channel so you can get more awesome math videos. Also, hit the like button if you like the video and hit the notifications in order for you to be notified when I post new videos. Here's our example. We have 3,600, so 3,600 divided by 4, and we need some answers. Do you see these two zeros? This is telling us that we're in the hundreds column. And I can take it off. And in order to do that, I write it as 36 hundredths. I turn it into a word form, you guys, and then to divide by 4. Now I bring my hundreds over because I know that's what my answer is going to end up being, which leaves me 36 divided by 4. So that's a little easier than looking at 3,600 divided by 4. So now, as I'm looking at 36 divided by 4, how many times does 4 go into 36? That is the question. So what number multiplied by 4 gives me 36? I'm going to quick do my multiples of 4 out loud so you can hear how I'm doing it. I'm trying to figure out how many times does 4 go into 36, or maybe it doesn't go in evenly, so I need to get as close as I can. So let's check it out. I have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. So I see as I was saying my multiples out loud, I was using my fingers to count. So I see how many numbers I have up. And I have 9 fingers up, you guys. So it's 9 hundredths. So 9 times 4 is 36. Now I have to turn this 9 hundredths into number form. So right up here, I'm going to write 9 hundredths in number form, which is 900. I know you guys have got this. So here we go. Here's another one. We have 2,400 divided by 4. So I'm going to look at this as 24 hundredths. So 24 hundredths. Now I need to come right over here. I'm going to highlight my division sign. I'm going to go Control C, and then right over here, Control V. And I'm dividing by 4, which not minus, which equals, so 4 goes into 24. Again, I'm saying my multiples out loud so that I learn them, but also so that I can see how many times 4 goes into 24. So one number multiplied by 4 gives me 24. So I have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. I see that that's 6 times. So I'm going to write my 6. And yes, you have to write the word hundreds because it's just not 6. So right up here, I changed the word form 600ths to number form 600. Let's do a couple more examples. I have 22,400 divided by 3. Or other words, 2,400 divided by 3. So right here, I'm going to write 24 hundredths. Because I haven't copied anything, I can still do Control V. We're going to divide by 3. So how many times does 3 go into 24? Or what number multiplied by 3 gives you 24? So again, I'll say my multiples out loud to remind me my multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. And I see that I have 8 up. I'm going to hit my underline sign, 8, and then hit it again, hundredths. Now I'm going to take this partially word form right here and turn it into a number form, which is 800. And let's do our last example. I have 4,000 divided by 5. I know this one can sometimes be a little hard, but watch. It's not just 4,000. It can be 4,000. So I'm going to put a 40 Oh, I underlined that. Let's try that again. I'm going to write 40 and then 100. Okay. And I did that because I knew I could take 2 zeros off and 5 would go into 40. And that's an easier number to deal with. I knew I couldn't take all 3 off because 5 does not go into 4 nicely. Well, you can't pull 5 out of 4. So that's the reason I went with 40. So right here, because I haven't copied anything, I'm Control V to get my division sign. And we're dividing by 5, which equals. So now I'm going to do my multiples of 5. 5 times what number goes into 40? How many times can I pull 5 out of 40? Same as 5 times what number? So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I see that that's 8. 8 hundredths. Now that I have the partial word form right here because I have a number with it, I know I need to turn this into a straight number. So that is 800. Now that we're doing this division, remember to take your time. It's okay. Take a breath, have fun. And remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. I'll talk to you later. Bye.